What does stabilization do? How do you apply it? Stabilization is over here in your settings for whatever pen you're using. I crank it to 100 when I draw. I pull it down when I sketch. It takes a line. If you draw on your tablet and you draw, I'm drawing on a mask layer. If I draw a line down and I draw really slow, my hand drags on the screen, and the slower I go, the dirtier that line is. If I bring my stabilization up and I draw that same line, you can see how much cleaner it is. Now, the problem is, drawing with a high percentage of stabilization removes your personality from your line work. So you either gotta learn to make that part of your art form, which is what I've done, or you need to turn it down until it stops doing that. Because my suggestion is try this. So I sign my name like this. I go T-L-E-E like this. If I bring my stabilization all the way up and I try to sign that exact same thing again, it might look right, but this isn't nearly as sharp. And it also feels incredibly delayed. So one of the things it's doing is it's delaying that feeling of speed. And this sharp line that is supposed to come to a tip isn't doing that at all. Like this did. See? So that's why I adjust it and I try and find a balance for what is most comfortable for me. But when I'm drawing caricatures, I'm known for my vector style, very, very sharp, crisp lines, and I do that with my stabilization all the way up. And I've learned to understand what that will do to my lines so I can make that as part of my style. Problem is, my style is in Clip Studio. If I try to do this in any other program, my style falters. So Clip Studio has made me a part of it because I need this feature specifically, and other apps don't do it nearly as well as Clip Studio does.